When you're given a song to sing in the choir, a typical choir script can carry a lot of things on it, and most people can find themselves confused understanding what is written on that script, okay? So today we'll be talking about most of those things you can see on the choir script, on the song you're about to sing. So as when next you're given a song, it will not be a problem understanding the things you see on that paper. And understanding what they mean could help you understand the song more, right? So we are currently on the whiteboard and we want to put out some of those things you can see and what they really mean. Let's say for instance, this is our choir script right here. Let me divide them just as it will be in a choir script. Okay. This is the first line of the song, okay? And here you can find sopranos, altos, tenors, and basses, and also the lyrics of this first line right here, right? And these are called bars. Bar, the first bar of the song. This is the second bar of the song. This is the third bar of the song. And this is the fourth bar. This is the fifth bar. Before you come to the second line of the song, and these are also bars. Hope you understand. Another thing you can expect to see on a script is the key of the song, right? And it's always located up here. Most times some people can put it here, some composers can put it here or here, but it's always around this part, right? And you can see them write something like do equals this or key equals this. For example, let me just put it out so as you understand what I'm saying. Yes, this is what you will see, okay? Do equals D, and they will mount it right here. Most people will write key D like this. Key equals D, right? So that is the key of the song. The next thing you can expect to see is the time signature or the conducting signature, okay? You can see a 3/4, 4/4, and so on and so forth. And it can be written this way, 3/4. This 3/4 means that every bar you see here carries 3 notes, right? And it also has a conducting pattern like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It can also be 2, right? Which means every bar carries 2 notes. Let's say this is your bars, and all you have here is just 2 dots, which means do will be here, mi will be here, or any note of choice, right? Depending on the song you are singing. And so this is do, mi, and then you can also have a 4/4. Those are all time signatures, okay, that you can compose your songs on. If it's this 4/4, it means 4 notes will be found inside 1 bar, okay? And the way to write it is having 2 dots here and a stroke, then 2 dots here, which means 1 note will come here, 1 note will come here, 1 note will come here, and 1 note will come here. 4 notes in a bar, okay? If it's 3/4, it means that 3 notes have to be found inside 1 bar, okay? So all you have here is just these 2 dots, like 2 dots like this and 2 dots like this, and then 1 note will be found here, 1 note will be found here, and 1 note will be found here. Another thing you can expect to see on a scripted song is the tempo of the song, okay? And it's always written down here as well. Most times it can be andante, it can be allegro, it can be largo, and so on and so forth, okay? So where you can see it written is down here, and it could look something like this. So we just wrote andante and we are going to place it right down here, okay? That's the tempo of the song. And then the next thing you can expect to see is the name of the song. That is always written here, okay? It is always written right here, okay? It comes in the middle of the paper or the script. So if at all you have seen anything on a musical script that you do not understand, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll tell you what it is. But the common ones are the ones we just touched right here on this video. And then on our next video, in our next class, we are going to talk about signs of music. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't consumed the last ones that we've been dropping, you might want to go check them out so as you can follow up with the class. Okay, see you in the next one, and make sure you stay glued to this channel. Bye.